In this video series, I've told you the benefits of buying your outdoor power equipment at your local STIHL dealer versus a big box store. So, I thought it'd be a great idea to take you to a STIHL dealer and show you the real STIHL experience. Let's go inside. When you walk into a STIHL dealer, you'll see the STIHL concept store displaying the tools available. The sales specialist at your local STIHL dealer will help you find the tool that will best suit your lawn and gardening needs. But it doesn't stop there. The STIHL dealer will set up your machine, fill it up with gas and oil, or test the battery, show you how to start it and how to use it safely. They will also show you a wide range of personal protective equipment and accessories to keep you safe. Your STIHL dealer will make sure you are confident when leaving and that you're ready to tackle any tasks at home. Hi, we're here with Bill at Chatham Outdoor Power. Bill, how long have you been a STIHL dealer?
Actually, when I first started in '74, the dealership that I was working before, it was a STIHL dealer, so I've been STIHL my whole life, basically. But like when someone comes in, we figure out what they actually need. There's no sense in selling them something that either is too small or too big, overpowered. We direct them to where they need to be, and people appreciate that. The response from the community, everyone just loves the STIHL stuff. Every year, it grows and grows and grows.
John, you're the technician here at Chatham Power Equipment. Can you tell us about your experience?
Every year I attend a school with STIHL, and very good company. And I've been doing this for over 40 years, and as far as I'm concerned, there's no other product other than STIHL.
Your local STIHL dealer, like Bill, is there for you at every step of your STIHL experience. Find your local STIHL dealer today by visiting www.stihldealers.ca.